We've been receiving messages and comments about Huawei's app gallery. Some say it's difficult to download apps, apps are not enough, and some even say that there's no Google Apps. My name is RVCUARTO and this is EveryTechEver, your daily source of everything tech. Alright guys, calm down. It's already 2023 and the app gallery has grown so fast. In our previous video, we have shown you how easy it is to download and install apps, just like flipping a coin. Now let's talk about Google Apps. With Gbox on App Gallery, downloading your favorite Google apps is now more effortless and seamless. And on this video, I will show you how to download YouTube Kids, Google Chat, and Google Home. These apps are essential for watching educational videos for your kids, controlling your home automation, and chatting online. And for this video, I'll be using my Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Step 1. Head to the app gallery from your home screen and look for the search box at the top. Step 2. Type YouTube Kids and press search. Then it will show you the app name and you just click on the Get button. Step 3. You will be prompted to download Gbox if it still needs to be installed, so continue and click on Get Gbox and install the app. Or you can also download Gbox from their website at gboxlab.com. For Google Apps, you will need to sign in using your Google account and follow the process. Step 4. Once done, you can install YouTube Kids and you're good to go. And that's how easy it is, no sweat. This time, let's download the Google Home. The good thing is that you will no longer be prompted to install Gbox again, and there's no need to leave the app gallery, so just remember that you need to keep Gbox installed to ensure that these apps will work without problems. Lastly, let's try Google Chat. Same process, quick and easy. And there you have it. If you are using the Huawei device for the first time, I highly recommend you try out the top apps section where you can find all the top rated apps and most used apps. Just open the app gallery and on the top portion of the app, click Top Apps. From there, you will find an extensive list of apps. All you have to do is tap on Install on your desired apps and you can do it simultaneously. Yes, that's how fast you can do it. I hope this video has answered all of your questions about Google Apps on App Gallery. How about you? What's your experience with the App Gallery? Please leave a comment below. Be sure to like and share this video and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. For more tech news and reviews, visit EveryTechEver, your daily source of everything tech.